Hello everyone, this is Marcial from the Philippines. My hobbies are watching movies, TV, walking every morning, and of course singing. And I'm under Angel Sound Entertainment Agency. Kindly listen to my audition and
Love me with all of your heart. That's all I want, love. Love me with all of your heart, or not at all. Just promise me this. All your giving, all your kisses, every winter, every summer, every fall. When we are far apart, or when you need me, love me with all of your heart as I love you. Didn't dream that we dance forever in a wish that we made together on a night that I prayed would never end. No, it's not my imagination or a part of the orchestration. Love was here at the coronation. I'm the king and you're the queen of hearts.
my greatest achievement when I'm still working, I have a chance to travel abroad like Hawaii, Australia, and London. That's a company sponsored travel. I have also a Facebook account wherein I have 1,000 followers. I do live streaming there also. And I'm happy because I shared my singing talents to my viewers and they enjoy it. And if given a chance, I can do live streaming 2 to 5 hours a day. And I'll guarantee you that I can be a good host and I will add great value to 17 Live. Thank you.